Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add your Indeed profile link. Having a direct link to your Indeed profile can enhance your job applications and make it easier for employers to find and review your credentials. So, let's get started on how to add your Indeed profile link. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Select the profile option from the menu. In the profile section, find the CV option and tap on it. Look for the three dots icon at the top right corner and tap on it. Tap on Share a link to my Indeed CV. You will find your Indeed CV link, which is also your profile link. You can share this link with others. And that's how you can add your Indeed profile link. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.